Don't fart.
All right, for Vlogmas, this is a Tribe Called Henry, and we're utilizing the security cam. All right, so right now you're on security footage, right?
You're actually in the cabinet.
So roll with us.
We're still, look, we have so much Halloween stuff left over. We're still doing the Halloween stuff.
There it is.
That's what we're
Instead
doing.
of break this?
Okay,
Hang out with us,
this
yes.
is what we're doing.
Yeah, you break that one. Don't. There you go.
I did it correct.
You're actually gonna participate in this thing.
All right.
So then you gotta
Now,
move that stuff and go this way.
The mission is to get it to look like this. Okay,
You guys
like
already know
that.
from the other video.
All right.
You never get it to look like that.
My wife has a theory that this is
It's
some
a lie.
kind of.
That's a lie. That's CGI or something. They're doing something. That is not.
That it never looks like
It
this.
doesn't.
Ever
It
looks
doesn't.
like this. The people that built this is probably a Lego or something, but never looks like this
It doesn't look like that.
with that. So, we're going to attempt to prove her wrong and that we can actually make it look like that. So,
Don't eat the candy.
on the last segment, we had the,
skulls. You make the skeletons.
on the gingerbread
We
house,
gotta cut that. Now go get the scissors. Go get the scissors.
they weren't really construction savvy. So,
You want to make a Christmas present? Okay. Then
Jose and I are
shape
going to
it
help out with
into a
this one and
present.
see if it looks any better.
If I build your house will collapse, so don't hire me.
Don't hire us for your gingerbread house needs, okay?
All
Like
right,
I said, it's a lie. That's a lie. It don't ever look like that.
what are we doing?
It's the instructions are right there. Did you
The
massage the icing?
I did massage the
Do you
icing.
want me to further
Okay,
massage it?
now we got the time lapse.
Oh yes, time lapse. Cut it out.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
And it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I bought some corn for popping.
How the box said it would look, but they taste good. They're like little orange whoopie pies. They're cute. They're good. And then now they're decorating the. Let me show y'all. Virgin's heart. We're looking at our little roof. Dad did good. Dad did good. I'm not gonna lie. He did a whole lot better
right.
than I did.
Look here, I gave it some grade A tie downs. I reinforced the structure.
Right.
This baby's here is category 5 proof. Okay. I had a rough time with the inspector.
There he is.
Had a rough time with the inspector, but
Where's your inspector face, Jose?
it passed
Where's
all
your-
inspections.
Where's your inspector face? Did we pass? Are we up to code?
Everything's up to code.
That's it.
Are we up to code?
Baby, that's it.
You're not. No, you're good. No, you're good. You're good.
We're good.
Yeah.
So this is what it's looking like.
All right.
That's what the picture looks like. Dad does a better job of building than I do. Whatever.
Yes,
Whatever.
You can find me at dadmobetterbuildinghomes.org.
That's it.
That's Dad Mo Better Building Homes. Okay, Dad Mo Better Building Homes. /org.
/org? .org.
/
It's .org. can tell who uses the internet here and who clearly don't.
Dad Mo Better Builders. Dad Mo Better Builders.
Call us today.
Okay? Just remember, if you heard of other builders, just remember Dad Mo Better Builders. Dad Mo Better Builders.
You're ridiculous. All right, we'll be back.
Oh, hey there. Just finishing up this construction. Don't let your
Spaghetti butter.
Don't let your latest project end up like this one right here.
This spaghetti butter.
Yeah. Just remember, if you want things done with the final touch, with a guiding hand, remember, Dad Mo Better Construction. Dad Mo Better Builders. Dad Mo Better Builders. Where Dad is more better.
Spaghetti
Just
butter.
call 858-337 Dad Mo Better.
You guys just realized he totally insulted my gingerbread house.
Just call 1-877 Dad Mo Better.
Today.
What is you? Why are you screaming like that?
Thank you for calling Dad Mo Better. What can I do for you today?
You guys defend me. My house was not that bad.
Dad Mo Better.
Hey guys, welcome to Verse the Virgo's mixing channel. Together we're gonna be mixing our Halloween filling.
What's happening?
Versus the Virgo's mixing channel.
Girls me home, daddy who gonna say do? Yea, burr, spear, horn, gare, scare, bork, bork, bork.
Why did you put sprinkles? I put sprinkles in the filling, Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mom, I put sprinkles in the filling.
Oh, yummy.
Mom, where'd he put sprinkles?
Okay, mix it with Virgie.
I put the orange sprinkles in here. Mom, where'd he put orange sprinkles?
Cool.